ibandera mo.
107.1 Radio Bandera Olongapo City. Inakarespetado sa news and current affairs.
Basta radyo, ibandera mo.
Basta Radyo Ibandera mo. Bandera, Radyo Bandera, baby. 107.1 News FM, Olongapo City. And you heard it right. Reforma 3PA tuwing Sabado, alas 3 ng hapon. Yung Reforma 3PA, it's being featured sa lahat ng Radyo Bandera all over the country. Buong Pilipinas na po yan, ha? Yung Radyo Bandera's Reforma 3PA. Nagsimula yan dito sa atin sa Radyo Bandera Olongapo. We are extra proud of it. 8:11 is the time right now. 8:11 ng gabi. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Welcome to Bandera Night Jams. This is the Thursday edition. And you're with DJ Tommy G, the Hitman. Ayan. Bago tayo magpasimula, I wanna greet yung mga admin, yung mga members ng mga Facebook pages na laging nakashare, nakapost yung ating Radyo Bandera Night Jams with DJ Tommy G. Salamat ha. Salamat at pinapayagan yung ma-share lagi dyan. Ako, ang dami nating nare-reach. Una muna yung Filipinos Against Crime and Corruption Facebook page. Filipinos Against Corruption Unite. Yun pala. FAC tapos U, nakahiwalay yung U, no? So alam niyo na yan, no? Oh, wag kayo mag-alala, ang inaano yung mga corrupt eh, 'di ba? Kung medyo ang datingan nga naman alam mo na, bad word. Yung mga corrupt naman ang tinutukoy diyan. Kayo mag-alala. Lahat naman tayo, we all agree, galit tayo sa kanila, di ba? Dahil pinapahirapan nila ang bayan natin eh. Bayang Pilipinas, my Philippines! My dear Philippines! Mga korap, mga mandurugas, mandarambong, mga pahirap kayo sa bansang Pilipinas. Yun. Di ba? Yung may kilala ako sa isang departamento na yung mga ganyan, yung tipong hindi nire-remit yung kita dapat ng gobyerno. Binubulsa, yun ang nakakadiri, pinapakain sa pamilya. Imbis na kita ng gobyerno para sa Juan de la Cruz, yun, dinudugas. Walang kinita for 2025. Yehey! Palakpakan! Not deserves a round of applause. Saan ka nakakita? Walang kinita for 2025 pero may advertiser. Sus Mariosep! Tapos sa bossing, okay lang yun? Okay lang yun, ma'am? Okay lang? Okay lang yun? Okay lang kayo? Ganyan ang mangyayari talaga pagka yung tunay na nagmamalasakit, tunay na nagbabantay, tunay na gumagawa, tunay na tatrabaho, tatanggalin nyo. Bakit? Kasi tinitira yung nandurugas, nandarambong, nangungupit, tinitira niya, no? So, para maprotektahan yung mandurugas, yung mandarambong, alisin natin yung nagmamalasakit. Bakit? Kumpari ko to eh! Nakakahiya kayo. Yak! Siya, sige. Move. Naunahan agad lang. Siyempre, balitaan tayo as usual, di ba? June 11. Uy, isang araw na lang. Bukas na, no? It's Philippine Independence Day. So, last day ngayon ng Flag Day. Ang Flag Day, nag-start yan mga 2 weeks, no? 2 weeks before the Independence Day of any country. Flag Day muna. Kaya, yan, yung 2 weeks na yan, dapat dyan, nakalabas ang mga flag. Sa atin, syempre, yung Philippine flag. Kung may sasakyan kayo, bumabandera. Radyo Bandera 107.1. Ang Philippine flag, dapat medyo bumabandera yan sa mga kabahayan, sa sasakyan. Dahil di ba? Flag Day nga Flag Day yung buong 2 weeks na yon bago leading up to the Philippine Independence Day, which is June 12 tomorrow. Maligayang kaarawan ng kalayaan sa ating mga Pilipino, ha? Bukas na po 'yan, okay? So yung may mga events diyan for Philippine Independence Day. I'm free tomorrow, baka kailangan niyo na MC. Mura na, nauutang pa. DJ Tommy J. Siya. Moving on na. June 11, holidays and observances. Let me check for you. Ano nga ba for June 11? Corn on the Cob Day. Damay na natin yung bukas, ha. Bukas, Philippine Independence Day. Kasi wala akong bandera night jams tomorrow, no? Yun, ngayon pa lang, announce na natin. Today is also Career Nursing Assistants Day. Yung mga nursing assistant ha, hindi sila yung nurse mismo. Kung napapansin niyo yung mga nurse, may mga nakaalalay sa kanila, no? Taga punas, taga bulak, taga bigay ng gamot, taga painom ng ano. Uy, noble job din 'yan, ha? Syempre, nursing assistants yung mga 'yan. Kung wala ang nursing assistants, ang nurse tuliro. Walang assistant. June 11 is also Cotton Candy Day. When I was a kid, I really love cotton candy. O sige, hanggang ngayon, up to now. Ngayon kasi hindi mo na pwedeng enjoy ng gusto, no? Yung cotton candy, bawal na eh. Pagka ganitong umiedad ka na, tataas ang blood sugar. Pag mataas ang blood sugar, lumalapot yung dugo. Magiging prone ka sa delikado ka sa sa heart diseases and other organs. Yung mga diabetic, kaya nasisira yung organs nila, ang dahilan nun kasi is the blood sugar. Kasi 'di ba yung sugar natin, yung blood natin, umiikot yan sa buong katawan eh, pinapump ng heart. Oh, 'di ba? Talino din sa DJ Tommy G, mukha lang siya nga minsan eh. No? Oh, yung dugo natin, umiikot yan sa buong katawan natin. Yung mga organs natin, umiikot diyan yung dugo natin, dugo no. Nagdadala ng oxygen. Yun. Ang taga-deliver ng oxygen kasi cells eh, 'di ba? Lahat ng cells natin binubuhay ng oxygen 'yan, 'di ba? Ang nagfi-feed ng oxygen sa mga body organs natin, yung blood natin. Yan, yung red blood cells dinadala yung oxygen even sa brain natin, no? Yan, okay? So, pagka mataas ang blood sugar, 'di ba, lumalapot yung dugo, 'di ba? Parang medyo nahihirapan mag-deliver. Kumbaga, parang nagiging sa kalsadahan, matraffic, no? Yung flow, hindi maihatid yung necessary oxygen sa mga cells. Kaya nasisira yung organs eh. Pansin nyo, pag diabetic, di ba? May nasisiraan ng kidney, may nasisiraan ng liver, nagiging related na rin sa heart disease, di ba? Kaya iiwasan natin tumaas yung blood sugar yun. Kaya ako nabanggit ko lang kasi Cotton Candy Day. I still would love to eat cotton candy every now and then, pero hindi, pakonti-konti lang siguro, paminsan-minsan lang. Paminsan-minsan, ang alaala mo'y bumabalik. Yan, June 11, Cotton Candy Day. What else? National Get Outdoors Day. Mag-outdoors tayo, paminsan-minsan din. Today is also Make Life Beautiful Day. Pizza Margherita Day. May pizza parang ganung flavor, margherita. Alright, so there you have it. Just some of the few holidays and observances for today. June 11, 2026. And para naman sa mga nagbe-birthday, June 11 birthday celebrants, this one's for you!
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. This is being brought to you by Angel's Pizza Olongapo, presenting Buy One Take One Forever. Oh, forever ha, may forever sa sa Angel's Pizza Olongapo. Buti pa sila may forever, kayo wala. Ang buy one take one forever nila is if you have your APC card, yung Angel's Pizza card, no? Choices of 2 pizza. 2 pizza, yung family size tsaka big family size if you have the APC card, okay? Same size. Kunyari, bumili ka ng isang big family size. Binili mo pepperoni. O, di ba? Yung pangalawa, libre na. Same size, big family din. Kung ano yung binili mo, yun din yung size. Tapos, pwede ka pang pumili ng ibang flavors. Oh, ang taray, di ba? Okay, so be sure to have your APC card. Baka wala ka pa niyan, ha? Yung wala pang APC card, bahala kayo. Ba't wala kayo APC card? Punta na kayo sa Angel's Pizza Olongapo. Sa kanto lang ng 4th Street ito, no? Kanto lang ng 4th Street. Bago pumasok ng 4th Street, yun, matatagpuan nyo na. So, go there. At Angel's Pizza, go get your APC card. Angel's Pizza card. Buy one, take one forever. That's where they're located. You may also visit their official Facebook page para makita nyo yung kanilang mga menu. Yan, they're more than just pizza. All right? Okay? Yan. And also, I wanna give a big shout out muna sa mga kaibigan natin na nandiyan sa Angel's Pizza Olongapo, si Madam Erica Hayasaki, tsaka si Madam Herlene. Valerie Nerha, tsaka sino pa ba? Greet ko sana lahat no? Oh, hindi kami nang babati, nang greet lang kami, ha? Angel's Pizza. Last time kasi na nambabati kami, nasasarapan masyado. Sabi ko, tigilan natin yan. Greet na lang, greet. So I wanna greet all of you guys. Kaya lang, give me names. Walang mga pangalan eh. Lahat sana namang nandiyan dyan no? Yung lahat na nakatira dyan. Nakatira. Angel's Pizza. Oh, anyway, shout out Angel's Pizza, everybody. Okay, moving on. Eto na. The famous people celebrating their birthdays today includes Miss Pinky Webb, TV journalist, anchor. Kian Cipriano of the band, what's his band? I forgot. Si Kian Cipriano, ayan, lead vocalist ng isang OPM band. Gabriel Valenciano, si Gab, okay? Anak ni Gary, si Gar. Gabriel si Gab, Gary si Gar. Valenciano, alam mo si Gary Valenciano is the Michael Jackson ng Pilipinas eh. Idol natin yan, kala mo ba? I used to dance. I was with a dance group called the Sneakers. Ayan, the Sneakers Seniors. Sa juniors ako. Mas bata ako sa kanila. Mas bata ako kay Kuya Cecil, kay Kuya Rigor, kay sino pa ba? Lahat sila basta yung Sneakers Seniors. Ayan. Mas bata ako kaya junior ako. Also, happy birthday to Kodak Black, rapper Kodak Black. Claire Holt. Are you guys familiar with Claire Holt? You guys remember? She played the role of Rebecca in The Vampire Diaries. Yun. She also played the role of Samara in Pretty Little Liars. And Chastity Mayer in Mean Girls Part 2. Also, happy birthday to Shia LaBeouf. Yan, si Shia LaBeouf, nasa Transformers, sa Disturbia. Dami pa naging movie nito no? Dami na, no? Okay. Si Hugh Laurie. Yan, si Dr. Eddie House. Hugh Laurie turns 67 today. Happy birthday. Next up, we have Gene Wilder. You guys remember Gene Wilder? Funny man, movie actor and comedian. He was born June 11, 1933, but he passed away noong 2016 pa, no? Yeah, okay. And also, happy birthday to Peter Dinklage. You guys remember Peter Dinklage? He is Tyrion Lannister in the movie Game of Thrones. Yeah, okay. And he was also in the movie Elf, X-Men, Days of Future Past, Pixels, and The Prince Caspian. Okay, so there you go. Marami pa. Dami na naging movie to si Peter Dinklage, no? Yeah, okay. Hindi lang siya pwedeng maging weatherman. Kasi pag nag-announce siya, a flood is coming. Sa kanya lang pala flood, no? Sa atin hindi. And also, happy birthday to Saxon Charbino. Si Saxon Charbino was in the movie I Spit on Your Grave. You guys remember? I Spit on Your Grave? Yeah, she also played the role of Chastity Storch in the reboot of Poltergeist as Kendra Bowen. All right. And the Netflix series Love, L-O-V-E. Next, happy birthday to football great Joe Montana. Turns 70 today. Kilala niyo si Joe Montana? Regarded as one of the best quarterback in the history of the game ever. Okay, next up we have Jimmy O. Yang, stand-up comedian and TV actor Jimmy O. Yang turns 39 today. Lastly, WNBA's Diana Taurasi turns 44. 44 na pala, no? She still plays, right? Turns 44 today, Diana Taurasi. I don't know kung retired na or still plays. Yeah. Okay, so there you have it. Celebrities and the like celebrating their birthdays today. You're sharing your birthdays with them, all of you. June 11 birthday celebrants, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Those are the famous people celebrating their birthdays today. In addition to that, meron pang famous person in our hearts, kami, my ex-girlfriend and my son and my daughter, famous in our hearts. Ayan, si Tita Weng. Ayan, Tita Weng. Rowena Feria, happy birthday to you. She just turned 25. Ayan, 25th birthday niya. Plus 25 plus 35 years experience. What I'm trying to say is happy birthday sa'yo, our dear ate, and my kids, dear tita. All right, happy birthday, enjoy. Yeah, it was, we were at her party. It was extra fun. Ayan. Si little girl Camilla made it extra fun. Si Colette. Again, happy birthday, ha? We love you, you know that, right? Okay, so we will take the quick bottom of the hour break. And yeah, we'll be back with more. Please stick around. We will be right back.
Balita at musika, pinag-isa. This is 107.